If you've ever been diagnosed with cancer or had a loved one diagnosed, then you've probably wondered if a clinical trial would be beneficial. Tonight, our Linda Hurtado continues our health campaign with a look at what these trials do and what the risks and the benefits are.
I'm feeling pretty good these days.
You're not having any problems with the infusion?
No.
39-year-old Karen Babcock has an aggressive form of breast cancer.
Any problems with any new headaches, any visual problems?
And she's come to Florida cancer specialist and Dr. Michael Diaz to give her the best chance for not only survival, but a cancer-free life.
I've had surgeries to remove the mass that I had, and now I'm undergoing chemotherapy.
And it's what's dripping from a bag into her body in the Florida cancer specialist infusion room that may be setting her apart from other breast cancer patients. Karen agreed to enroll in a clinical trial.
We learned how to take better care of patients through the use of clinical trials, and then also we learned how to find cures for cancer.
Dr. Diaz recommended one clinical trial for Karen because she would still get the standard treatment of chemotherapy drugs that are proven to help with her type of cancer, as well as the opportunity to get a new drug not yet approved by the FDA for treating that type of cancer.
And in her situation, we're trying to see if we can increase the chance of an actual cure.
Karen comes once a week for her infusions, but she doesn't know if the new medicine is actually going into her body.
Patients are randomized into two different groups. One group receives the standard of care treatment. The other group receives the standard of care treatment plus the new medication. It's double-blinded, so both the investigator, myself, and the patient don't know if they're receiving this additional medicine or not.
So why did Karen decide to take that chance and enroll?
The HER2 positive is an aggressive type of breast cancer, and I wanted to do everything possible that I could to help, fight this disease and beat the disease.
She would be a candidate in the first setting, metastatic, for any of these trials that we have.
Florida Cancer Specialist has a number of offices around the state.
It makes it easy for our patients. We have on the average access to anywhere from 80 to over 100 different types of clinical trials to treat different types of cancers at various stages. And we partner with large national research groups that help us have access to a larger number of clinical trials, a larger number of investigational therapies that are actually promising.
Even if she doesn't end up getting the new drug, Karen is still glad she enrolled.
To help women in the future, because there's been a lot of people before me that have gotten us up to where we are now to treat breast cancer and make it such a survivable disease, and I would like to, be a part of that and pay that forward.
Linda Hurtado, ABC Action News.
For more information on breast cancer treatments and where you can go to get low-cost mammograms, go to Linda's Facebook page. Look for Linda Hurtado, WFTS, under Pages.